blir vatten i glaset, det går inte. Det ligger i vatten.
Honey, 30 minutes to dinner.
What's for dinner, honey?
It's fish, and remember, you are in diet.
Honey, I'm just going out to buy some newspaper. I forgot.
How could you?
Action. What do you mean? It's not a big deal. Why do you make a problem out of this?
But what about me?
It's not my fault. I couldn't help it.
How did I know what you do?